I started trading options in May 2025, and it's becoming more and more significant when it comes to profits that I'm generating through options and stocks trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you transparently what the journey is like. And if you're learning how to trade options, this is the channel for you. Now, this is not my primary income source. I build businesses, something like TradeLocker, which is one of the main Forex and CFD trading platforms. I'm one of the founders there, and QuantWheel, which helps you find the best option deals and copy the trades in options, and a few others. And that's how I earn my money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how my options trading is going, because I just love options trading. That's my passion nowadays. So I'm going to be very transparent about how it's going, show you all the profits and losses and all the pros and cons of what I'm doing. So you can see that TradeZella here looks pretty good. In 5 months, about 53,000, but there's an account missing that I'm not syncing here. So basically what I did is, about a month and a half ago, I separated my ETFs from the options trading accounts. And I'm going to show you how it looks like right now. And this is the brokerage account over here. So you can see that there are two accounts. This one shows the main trading account that I use for trading, and this is the high risk ETF account. Altogether it's about 127,000, and a few things are missing, and you can see where I pulled the money and separated accounts here and here. But most important thing is that I have generated about 17.42% this year so far in 5-6 months, which is pretty good. I was at about around 30% recently, but that's what it is with options. There are unrealized gains that you always that are shown here on the chart, which doesn't mean I close the trades, and I'm going to show you my positions now. Now, what you can see here, I'll go positions, and this is going to be a little bit longer video just because I want to trade live. So ACHR, it's a company that I just love. I'm following the owner, and I wish I invested earlier and held the stock. I have already earned some money on options trading, but I'm holding this position, just 1,000 shares, just because I like what the company does. They build basically intercity transportation vehicles, something like drone taxis. They're still not generating revenue at all, I think, but they got a pretty cool product, and they're gonna be big in the future, I believe. Probably one of the leading companies in this space. But I'm going to focus now on very quickly on just generating income. I don't care about explaining what each company does. This is a defense company, Big Bear AI. All right, basically what I added is a couple of columns. Why did I add those? Because I want to see how much further I can squeeze each option. And as you can see, I added max loss, max return, and unrealized P&L. Why do I have unrealized P&L? Is because, for example, this option can earn me $4 additional. It's basically done, and it expires on 24th, so tomorrow I'll close it immediately. Why would I hold it? But I'll go step by step. ACHR, I will probably check what can I do with ACHR. So what I do is I usually log into QuantWheel, and I just want to look at ACHR. I want to filter I want to reset the filters, because otherwise I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know why this is set like this, but okay. Anyways, I already own the options. I want to cover calls, and I want to see how much I'm earning with low or minimum risk, and I don't want to wait for too long. This one is pretty interesting, and this one is pretty interesting. So when I'm covering calls and stocks that I believe in, I don't think those will explode in 16 days. I don't think it'll grow 33% or even this much. So I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm going to sell the call on November. We expire November 7th, which is in 16 days at 16 cent premium. Now this would not be possible if I was using if I didn't have QuantWheel. That's why it's super cool to me. So you can see here that I own 1,000 shares. I'm just going to go to options and cover call on those 1,000 shares. So we said 7th November and 0.16, 7th November, and it's $14. It's like this. I'm going to have 10 of those, $160. Didn't have to do much. I do this maybe once per week or twice per week. I'm gonna have market limit just so I don't complicate. And it's done. Now you'll be able to see that it's here. The maximum return on this one is like $160. And now I'm done with ACHR. I'm earning money on it while I'm waiting. Even if it goes to 14, I'm gonna earn on appreciation. So I'm gonna earn double, twice. BBAI, AI defense company powered by AI. It's already got covered call on it. I won't touch it. It's still going to earn a bit of money. So I'm just gonna leave it. Then let's see, CoreWave. CoreWave has got tons of potential. One of my favorite stocks to trade. As you can see, this one, covered call, it's done. I'm gonna leave the puts. With the covered call, I'm just going to close. 1 second, close. Market. All right. So my covered call got executed, earned some money. And you can see that I own 100 shares. Do I believe that this stock is going to fall further? I don't. And I'm going to earn another 900. So about 2,000 on this one, 2,000 on this one. I would like to buy some shares. Maybe tomorrow I'll manage to buy them if the price doesn't grow. If it does, I'll just put more puts. And I'm just going to leave it be. I'm also going to cover calls on these 100 shares. To determine what is the best price I can get, I'll go here. And I'll select CoreWave. See what's the cover call, highest price possible. These are pretty high. I don't think it'll go that high. If it goes to 150, if it goes to 150, 165. Oh, okay, you see, this means that the data is not fresh. I need to make sure the data is fresh. Okay, a live sync. It's going to update the watch list. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to check what is the fresh data. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one because I think the stock has tons of upside. I don't want to sell it. I think this is not. It's possible it will jump here. If it does, great. I'll still cover some. I'll still sell some puts, but I'm just gonna cover it with this November 7, and it's 150. All right, November 7, 150. And I'm just gonna go with the market, $143. All right, that's it with CoreWave. There it is. Let's go for the next one. Figma. Figma earned me tons of money. There's still some space here for the calls. See a covered call on a long leap, or not a leap, but a longer call, and a covered call on the stock, on the shares. I'm just gonna let it go and wait. I think that's the best strategy right now. So that's fine. K-view, it's fine. Nothing to do here. NVO, nothing to do here. POWI. Now this stock I did not research much. It's basically something like CoreWave just signed an agreement with one of the biggest companies. So I'm just thinking, what should I do here? I have a long call. I have puts. I could cover a call because I got time until January. This one is $40. I could cover a call and whatever, something higher than that. Let's do this last, because maybe I just close this, earn 1,000 whatever, and do another one. Palaton. I'm holding this for a month. There is a rumor that they have an open AI partnership, and I'm just gonna hold it. Not gonna do anything. Just 1%, 2, 3, 5% per month doesn't mean much. I think this can jump 2, 3, 4, $5 in the next 1 to 2 months. PayPal, yeah, it's already squeezed. Covered the call here. It's done. I'll let it go. Race, it doesn't make sense for me to cover a call here. It's going to rip. I think this stock is just gonna grow up. Already I'm earning 5% on it. And then got some crazy stocks here just because I'm in this industry. And then I got SMCI covered call here. So if I put, that's all. That's basically it. Let's go with PWI. I can sell another put and cover a call here. Let's go see what's on the menu. Now I don't have it here. I need to add it in my watch list. So I add POWI, power integrations, generate income, and I just want to see it here. Boom, it's here. All right, so covering call on POWI. See, those are huge returns here. Those are huge returns. So if I know that I have bought 2 calls expiring January 16th, I can go with something like this easily, but maybe this one is smarter. Well, anyways, 6% doesn't make me excited. I think this can go to 50, 60 in the next 3 months, so I won't do anything. Though I will close this one, and I will find the next. Next put. It's gone. Now let's look at cash secured puts on POWI. Look at these nice yields. Very nice yields. Although the expiration dates are pretty high. Let's see. I think this one looks very nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna go with this one. So $40, November 21st. Now how much I want to risk? Probably like 3 of those. The return is not that of a big deal. So we're gonna earn about $500 on this one. Yeah, $500. But that's fine. That's fine. That's it for now. As you can see, we are at around 18% in last 5 months, which is better than S&P, and which is almost better than S&P. But I'm confident we're just gonna outgrow it in the next couple of months and finish the year with higher returns. I'm just trying to be very transparent with what I'm doing and show you all the gains and losses. And there are some, but even if I am losing, I can go to QuantWheel and roll the option. So we are protected from all sides. So this is it for now, and see you in the next one.